counting number, learning our ABC. We can write our name, spell it loud and clear. We can sing songs of love to our midday. Dearest Father and Mother, we thank you sincerely, and to our dear teacher, we are happy as can be. So goodbye, until then forever, we will never forget all the happy days we have. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful day.
เป็นการแสดงที่ขนลุกจริงๆนะคะเป็นเสียงขับร้องจากน้องๆอนุบาลของเรานะคะซึ่งยังมีการต่ออีกชุดหนึ่งนะคะเสียงปรบมือรอบแรกก็ขนลุกแล้วค่ะยังมีต่อค่ะ
Thank you, parents, teachers, friends, for your time. Good morning. Have a beautiful day. Good morning, parents, teachers, and friends. I am Nathanisha Lothim.
I am Nathawan Musikawati.
I am Nathanisha Lothim.
Student in the program prepared a presentation for everyone.
First, let's welcome Minnie a grade 2 student for her. A glass of cold water, declamation. A glass of cold water. Everybody calls me beautiful, wonderful. Am I? Look up my hair and my beautiful eyes. I remember I look like my mother. Oops, what time is it? I must prepare for the party. Beep, beep, yes, I coming. Child, are you student? That's my mama. Child, are you student? Will you please get a glass of cold water? Mama, I'm in the hurry. Child, are you student? Will you please get a glass of cold water? Mama, get it at the party. I dance and dance and dance and dance and dance and dance. When I'm home night, I'm very, very tired. Mama, I'm home. It's very, very quiet. Mama, I'm home. It's very, very quiet. In the kitchen. I'm sorry, my mama. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Minnie. Now let's have students from grade 1 to present daily conversation.
This conversation tells us about saying hello, introducing, friend, asking for direction, and apologizing to someone.
Hello, Anna. How are you?
I am good, thanks. And how about you?
I'm fine. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the library, return some books.
Well, I see you later. Then goodbye.
Goodbye, see you later. Good morning, Anda. Good morning, Fan Fan. This is my friend Châu Nai.
Hi, my name is Gampan. Nice to meet you. Hi, Gampan. Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm great. Have a good day.
Have a good day too.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry too. Let's go to the canteen.
Let's go. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the toilet? Are you new in this school? Yes, I am.
Just go stand and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, P. You? I don't feel well.
Oh, what's the matter with you?
Well, I got an headache.
When did it start?
Just this morning.
You should drink medicine or take a rest.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Oh, my paper is wet.
I'm sorry. I did not mean to the glass. Was too slippery.
It's okay, but I am out of paper. I have some right here.
I'm sorry again.
It's okay, but you got to be careful next time.
Here, have it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Martin, what do we see in the sky?
We can see a cloud, rainbow, and sun.
Yeah, sun. So let's pay attention. Presentation. Mr. Golden Sun.
Mr. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, thanks for shining down now, Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, everything is fine now, Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, thanks for shining down now, Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, everything is fine now, Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun.